Hey guys, it's Mike Sinar, Home Improvement Companies. I have a message for you. If you guys are trying to get leads, and most of you are, I swear every morning we wake up and our inbox is full. And I'll show that and prove that to you in a moment here. But our inbox is full of window companies, roofers, solar, HVAC, remodelers contacting us looking for leads. You know why my inbox is full? It's not because I'm buying leads from everybody. It's because simple content. I know how to produce content that generates me an endless supply of leads. Again, if you've been following us for any time, we're all about shut up and prove it, right? I want to show you that you can generate your own leads for literally a quarter of the price that you're getting from these other big box sellers. You guys know who they are. You know who the big home improvement lead sellers are. And don't get me wrong, they're good companies. They provide real value. If you know how to handle those leads, I'm not encouraging anyone not to buy them. I know several companies that buy them and do very, very well. But I'm telling you that you can produce your own leads with your own content for about 25% of the cost. And you're going to get 10 times the result. Meaning you're going to have to call 10 times the leads from some of these big box seller things to close just one deal than you are your own leads. And the technique is so simple. It's about the right kind of content, understanding what to write about, what your title tag should look like. That sounds like some highly technical stuff, but it's not. So this time we've got some other videos out there. I encourage you to watch it where I say, watch me rank on page 1 of Google in 10 seconds. And I literally create the page in live time. I publish it, and then we do a search on Google, and there we are immediately ranking. I think it was in the number 2 position for Google. So I just want to show you guys a few things. Hang tight with me. We're doing this live, so we might have a few technical glitches, but we're going to get through this. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump into a Google search here. Bear with me. Okay, so I want to show you again, everything is about, does it really work? We're going to do a quick search here for roofing cost New York, right? Now, I own a website. It's called 5estimates.com. By the way, we own tons of lead generating websites, folks. We capture over 400,000 organic leads a year. And I'm telling you, I'm spending about 5% of what you guys are spending to get the same leads. So yeah, we do sell these leads to people, but I want to show you how well we do. This is just, again, the proof is in the pudding. I'm going to do a few quick searches so you know that it works, and we'll explain it along the way. This is roofing cost New York. Very common. Homeowners want to know, what does it cost for me to buy a new roof? So this is the early stages of research. So here we go. These are all ads, okay? Somebody's paying, I don't know, probably $20 a click, maybe even $25 or $30 a click. You see this big box in here? 5estimates.com. That's us. That's my website. Let's start with this. Let's go ahead and click on that link and take a peek at it. So I want you to see, this is what the title tag would be. The title tag shows here. Again, I've got a video that explains this, folks. I'm going to encourage you to watch it. I'll show you how to get it in a minute. It's a title tag. You'll see that also. I also have it up here when I hover there. How much does a new roof cost in New York? Now, I want you to notice when we talk about creating your own content, and guys, the big deal is we'll write it for you. Literally, as little as 60 bucks. We'll write this content for you, and you can get lead on top of leads, non-stop leads, and you'll pay the $60 one time for our content. And if you get it to rank, if you follow our instructions, you rank, you can get leads for a lifetime. You're spending, I don't know, $20, $50, $60, $100 a lead for one lead, just depending on who you're buying it for. And then sometimes they're disconnected. They've already found someone they're not interested. Well, this is yours forever if you rank for this kind of stuff. So again, I want you to see, we talk about roofing material costs. We're trying to address what's called user intent. What is this person looking for? Well, he's looking for cost. Maybe he wants to know about roofing material cost. Maybe he wants to know about labor costs. Maybe they want to know about the final cost for a roof replacement. something about hidden fees. I'm telling Google that we're addressing this user intent. We're addressing every possible question in terms of what the cost of a roof might be in New York. Now, we're not quoting anything exact. We're giving averages, okay? Some people don't want to publish their prices, but we go generic. Well, let's go forward. Let's say we want to change that to Philadelphia, okay? I'm going to show you, I'm ranking not just in one city, hold on, not just in one city. I can do this all day long. We scroll down. Oh, what do we see right here? Again, these are all ads, 5estimates.com. I'm ranking in the best possible spot for it, guys. This is a home run. Again, there's my title of it. How much does a new roof cost in Philadelphia? There's the title tag, which we talk about a lot. Again, watch my video on how to create content. We'll again tell you how to get to it, but I think it's very, very important that you guys know how to do this. And once again, I'm giving you guys, we want to roll through this quickly. I'm just trying to show you proof that I can get leads in any city, in any state that I want to. And all I'm doing is I'm building one page of content. My team writes this, but we'll write it for you. 60 to 100 bucks per page, and then the page is done. And you can get leads on that page ongoing if you do the right things. So again, we're just scrolling through. You see we address all the different variables that go into a cost for a roof cost. So let's do another search. We're going to scroll through a little faster. Let's say you're a window company. I don't know. Here we got replacement windows cost Philadelphia. Home Advisor has this one. I promise you this, Home Advisor is going to sell you leads. They're a fantastic company. They sell really good leads. And, you know, of course, we hear back and forth. But this is the #1 organic position down here. And again, nonetheless, we may not have dominated that one, but here we are here. We rank, again, as you'll see, in the #1 organic spot. And we list a bunch of different contracts. So this is, again, the search term is replacement window cost in Philadelphia. Here we list a bunch of different contractors in the state. We talk about different kinds of windows. We talk about the prices, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Let's do another search, okay? Here we'll do, I'm not gonna click on all these guys. Again, we're trying to just prove to you that we can do it. Roofing cost in Austin. Scroll down, there we are, right there in the big old box, guys. We're killing it here. What's my point? We're not doing anything special. You can do this too. Let's do another search. Let's do roofing cost in Fort Worth. We're going all over the country, right? New roof cost, I'm sorry. You scroll down and here we are, 5 estimates. Boom, way up here in the top box. Again, you can be here too. And again, I'm not just doing windows, roofs. Let's do I don't know, here's a great one. It's not even a city. This would be anywhere in the country. Best replacement windows. We scroll down. Well, we're not going to win them all, guys, yet, but still we're in the #1, 2, #3 position. Here we are, 5estimates.com. Killing it, guys. Killing it. And again, you'll notice we chose to write about 2,500 words of content here. You don't always want to be cheap. Don't always, you know, typically I think you want at least 1,000 words of content. Okay, enough of that. I think you've seen a few. What I'm showing you here, folks, is that this is just one website, and we're ranking in over 100 different industries. I don't care if it's home improvement, office copiers, payroll services. We do this all day long. And we have 2 secrets, but the biggest secret is the way we produce our content, the title tags. And again, we've got a video that shows you how to do that. But I told you, I get leads so I'm just selling these leads, folks. We sell these leads to some of the big box guys, and we sell them direct to some home improvement guys. But this isn't our main deal. We're not really into home improvement leads as our core business. We're in lead generation for hundreds of different things. So again, some of these big box players, that's all they do. They're really, really good at it. It's a different quality. They tie in some social media leads and some email marketing. What we produce is 100% organic. You know, an organic lead is going to convert 1,000 times better than any other lead you're going to get. Who are we? Again, we are peak marketing service. Guys like you get in there and you're a roofer. You're looking for roofing leads in the state of Phoenix. This is my business. I want you to find me. This may be how you found me. Here I am, Peak Marketing Service, #1. We'll scroll over here for roofing leads. Buy sales leads for Phoenix roofing contractors qualified. Oh, let's close this. Geo, not real sure what that was. I have to figure that out later. Here again, that's probably something at the bottom. Sorry while I'm thinking about it. Yep, we'll fix this later on. Okay, so same thing. Let's say roofing leads Houston. We go back, you're a roofing company in Houston, and again, there we are, buy roofing leads in Houston. It pops up again. So we apparently got some coding thing at the bottom. We have a Google Maps listed, so there's some geocode issue that we'll have to fix later. It has nothing to do with our rankings, as you'll see. Doing very, very, very well here. Let's say, I forget that. That's #1 for Phoenix and Houston. Maybe you're a window company and you're looking for window leads and you're in Atlanta, Georgia. Who are you going to find? Peak Marketing Service. I don't know. We'll do one more search, guys. You're an HVAC company. I don't know where you are. We'll just say buy HVAC leads. We do a quick search and we scroll down here and there we are. We rank #2. Folks, I've just shown you like, I don't know, 10, 15 different searches on your side or on the consumer side who's looking for your services, be it roofing, window solutions, or HVAC. And I've also showed you on my side, if you're trying to buy leads, how I can rank for either side. It doesn't matter what side I'm on. It doesn't matter what business you're in. If you understand how to create the right kind of content, you can do this. So here's my advice, folks. This is our website, peakmarketingservice.com. So it's peakmarketingservice.com. And I'm going to encourage you to roll over here, go to this little tab here, DIY/orders, do-it-yourself orders. And when you get here, if you want to do this yourself for way less than what you're paying everybody else to do, you're going to want to go down here, and I'm going to encourage you to watch 2 videos. Learn about content. This is the most important one. Learn about content. If you click on this right here, you can literally get everything. We'll click on it and I'll show you what we're talking about. When you click on this, we've got this. You can either read it or just watch the video, but we give you all the details, all the explanations of how to research your content, what to write about, what a title tag is, how to set it. And folks, after that, once you get this stuff, the first goal is this. We need you to understand how to produce content, how to get it to rank. We need you to realize that it's not some ancient Chinese secret. It's really not. You can do it. I just showed you. We've got video on top of video. We do this stuff all day long, and we prove it over and over again. Once you are convinced that this is the way to do, there's a little order now button. You can either click here, or you can go back to that DIY orders page and scroll down here. You'll see Peak Content. Order from us. Just click on place order. There's an easy checkout window. We will write your content for you. How many articles do you want? You want 1? You want 6? I recommend at least 1,000 words. Usually 1,000 is good. And if it's sometimes you might need 1,500 or 2,000. You want to make sure we have enough content to explain what you need. So that's an easy way to order this yourself. By the way, if you want some content ideas, again, we're on this DIY orders page. You scroll all the way down here. We're still building some of these out, but we literally, let's just go over to replacement windows. You got siding, roofers, solar, gyms, HVAC. Replacement windows, you click on it, guys. You'll scroll down here, down every page. You scroll. By the way, this one right here, you watch us rank in live time when you get to about the middle of the page on Google. But scroll down here for each of your companies, your industries, be it siding or roofing or whatever. We give you 20 article suggestions. We did the research. We tell you these are 20 things that you need as a blog post. Replacement windows. We explain why you need the city name on there. Home company windows, window replace windows. How often will State Farm cover window replacement? Anyway, we give you 20 different article solutions that you can choose from. So the best way to get all this is start here at peakmarketingservice.com, and you want to click on our DIY pages, folks. I'm telling you guys, I've been in this business for a really, really long time. As I shared before, Dan Pine is my partner. We got into this thing not as an SEO company. We got into this as a lead generation company. Our goal was to put our money where our mouth was, to show people, hey, can you go out and get leads on your own without us going out and selling you? Anybody can sell SEO services. You write a check and we provide services, and you hope we know what we're doing. I have heard all too many times, listen, we sell that service too, but I can't tell you how many times I've heard them say, we invested, $100,000 and we got nothing. Well, we didn't want to start out as an SEO company. We ultimately morphed into doing some of that, but we ultimately said, no, we're just going to sell leads. And now we're selling about 400,000 leads a year in every industry. Again, home improvement is a tiny piece of our business, but our goal is to show you how to do this. We want to show you that for about a quarter of the cost, if you follow our content writing guidelines, and we'll write it for you. You just have to ask us. It's cheap. It's under $100, but we'll show you that it's 10 times better than any lead you're getting from these big box sellers. You're going to be so much happier with these own leads. And again, once this page that you produce is generating leads, you get leads forever, not for a week. It's not a one-time lead. It's for months and months and months and months. Look, let's say it costs you $1,000 to finally get the perfect page that's just killing it with leads. Well, how many quickly you're going to go through 1,000 leads from the big box sellers? You're going to go through them very quickly. But the deal is, when you're done going through them, they're done performing. They don't keep performing. Well, in a page that you develop and that you build on your own website that ranks organically, it continues to perform for a month, for 6 months, for a year, for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. That's how we built our business into the big company that we are, because we just keep generating content. We do talk a little bit about link building. There are some industries and some cities and some keywords you want to rank for where you have to build a little bit of links to them, but that's not always the case. In fact, for some of these keywords I just showed you, we didn't have to build a single link to these pages to rank for these terms. So I don't know how authoritative your site is, folks, but I can tell you right now, these are the things that you have to do if you want to be successful. You will be so happy. You will be so happy if you could generate an endless supply of leads that convert wildly better than all these other big box sellers. You'll be so happy, and you'll save a ton of money doing it. So again, peakmarketingservice.com. Thank you, home improvement companies, for joining us today.